Got my magic band here. Bump that. And away we go. Welcome to the Pop Century. Quick spin. Just going to give you a layout of what it is that we're looking at here. So this is, hello. This is just their normal room. I don't know that Pop Century has any special rooms. I know they have preferred rooms that are closer to things. I don't know if they have any super special ones. But you can see each room right off the bat has a fridge. It is a large fridge, guys. I heard some people complaining this was small. I've got like 2 half-gallons of milk inside of there, big huge creamer, ham and turkeys in there, big thing of strawberries, big thing of apples, and I've got room to spare. So that is a great amount of space. Your ice bucket, bunch of paper cups, of course. Your coffee maker is going to be here. Coffee maker is going to, oops, adjust my focus here. There we go. Coffee maker is going to be here. And it includes all kinds of cool stuff. Thermostat, what we got here, set at 70, and it is very chilly, and I love that. Big light, big counter with lots and lots of storage. It's really nice. Big, huge TV in the room. This has a door to an adjoining room. Little spot for coats, hats, those types of things. How's it going? If you guys are having as much fun as I am, let's get to the bathroom here. So 1 sink in the Pop Century bathrooms. We've got a bar of soap that we of course have used because it's a long flight. Your mirror, which comes out, and hello, and hello. I'm so much bigger. I'm sure it lights up. Well, that was the wrong button. See, the problem is that in my family, I'm not the one of us that does makeup, but I am, oh, there we go. Cool, so it lights. Wow, that is very magnifying. I'm sure that was correct grammar. Lots of storage in the bathroom, including underneath, which will be very useful. It doesn't have a closet per se, but it does have this little area with lots of hangers. Oh my God, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12 hangers. That's wonderful, because we're gonna be here a while. More cubby storage underneath. That would be great for the kids. Ironing board comes with it. Very good. See, I'm also getting a hair dryer and an iron. Very thankful for that. I would use neither of those. And then the bathroom itself. I mean, it's a normal hotel, motel style shower. Exactly what you expect, except for the shower head, which is glorious. Goodness sake. Look at that magic. Wonderful shower tub. All of your amenities are bolted to the wall, so you're not taking it home, but it does have room for your own things, which is good because my wife Casey has brought her own toiletries for the shower. It comes with its just towels, rags like you would expect. More towels and things on the back, and then just regular toilet. It's a little sliding door. Oh my goodness, it's like a double sliding door. Can you guys see that? That's so cool. And then when I open, it just kind of hits them both back. That's pretty nifty. Look at that. Sorry, that's the engineer and me just being silly and goofy. So good sized bathroom, great sized bedroom. This comes with 2 queens. So we do have a table and chairs, which again, we are definitely going to be using. Cubby storage in the side for your nightstand and things. Lots of outlets. So we've got 2 power outlets and 2 USBs on each side of the bed, which is really helpful. All of these really cool lights and artwork and stuff. I love the Mickey artwork with the colors and things. Oh, and over here on this side I will show you that bed in a moment. Another 2 outlets and 2 USBs. And then over here, we've got 2 more outlets and 2 more USBs on that side of the TV, and 2 more outlets and 2 more USBs on that side of the TV. Over here by your coffee maker, 2 more outlets. So, oh, and, oh my goodness, guys, 2 more down there by the floor. So, yes, oh my goodness, I keep finding these. 2 more outlets. There are a lot of outlets in this room, and for someone who is, you know, making videos, it's really great. So the sliding door actually finishes closing on its own, so you have privacy to the bathroom. Not just a curtain, it's an actual slider. Slides super easy. Look at that action, guys. That's great. You see it kind of bump itself back into place. And then for the Murphy bed, I just want to show you this real quick here. So I'm just going to drag the chair out of the way. It's a nice spot for it right there. I'm gonna go drag the other chair out of the way. I'm gonna go drag the other chair out of the way. Nice cubby hole spot for that. And guys, check out this magic. This is awesome and really, really easy. One finger. Probably should have done that more gently. It's got the light above Pluto, which you can turn on and off. Guys, this, oh, so nice. I like it. Under this TV, focus a little bit on what's inside of here. So, and you're safe. Very nice, nice and deep. Not very tall, but nice and deep. Bonus pillows. And then kind of our regular storage fare for those. Lots of room. There you go, guys. This is the Pop Century room. It's going to be on the lower end of the cost for Disney hotels. Has its own food court. We'll give you a tour of that in a future video, but definitely check this one out. It's a great contender for where you and your family can stay and save lots of money. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next time we ride those teacups.